Because it's so windy!
As you can see, it's very windy!
We're failing!
But the sky is very blue, so you'd think it would be really nice today. Well, screw you, Mother Nature. We are Addie's sister's bike and scooter here.
Just don't tell her!
Just don't tell her!
Well, if this is gonna go on the interwebs, then oh well. She's gonna find out some fucking time. Then she's gonna hunt me down, then she's gonna kill us or something.
This tray is not very good in the wind, as you can see.
Let's go live in the
Beat
branches.
the crap out of it.
Oh.
I broke it.
Ah, don't kill me with the stick.
I'm not killing you, I'm killing this stick with a stick. I'm making this stick be cannibalism.
Cannibalistic stick.
Cannibalism. Like Addie's cannibalistic tiger.
Yeah, I have a cannibalistic
Yes, I got it out!
His name's Todd.
What?
I have a cannibalistic tiger. His name's Todd!
Todd?
Yeah, Todd the
Todd.
cannibalistic tiger.
Todd the cannibalistic. Is it that blue tiger you show at the end of every video?
No, that's just some picture I found on interwebs.
That works.
Under blue tigers.
So we're sitting in this gigantic tree, and that's poop from something.
I think it's fox.
Okay. There used to be a fox living here then. Mother Nature does not like us at the moment because it's very windy.
And
We're
there's signs. I think the sign's dead now. No, it's still there.
Yeah, it's still there. We're on somebody's property. We don't know who, but
yeah, I just
we're
came.
trespassing.
Yeah. Well, there was no private property.
Yeah.
Technically, I'm over here.
Whee.
So technically, they can't get angry at
Hey,
us.
bad about it. Hey, bad about it. Swing, die. Oh. Hey, bad about it. Hey, bad about it. Swing,
Oh my
die.
God.
Die.
Not coming off.
This stick isn't gonna die.
Let's see how far I can climb.
Oh no.
I want to hold this.
Sure.
See. Yeah.
Addie's is now gonna demonstrate on how to climb a tree.
Especially when. Okay, there's a fucking branch right here. Oh my God. Okay. Ow! I sort of broke that stick.
Whoa! Holy crap!
Oh,
Just flipping, get it out of your way and throw it.
I'm working on that.
Stupid flipping tree.
Oh my God, it's stuck on the tree. Did I get it?
Yep, you're good.
Okay. Which trunk should I climb?
That one.
Interesting.
Don't kill yourself, Addie.
I'll try not to.
The sticks aren't too supportive.
As you can see by the fact that the wind's tossing him everywhere.
This documentary slogan we call it How to Climb a Tree the Correct Way. In the wind. Oh, fuck it. There's not a oh, fuck it. Use your monkey skills, Addie.
I'm trying. My foot's stuck underneath me.
Oh god, Addie, that branch is about to break.
And damn it, this, oh my time, I try that again.
Stop putting curse in my video.
Well, it's not your video.
True.
It's mine, and I'll edit this out somehow.
Beep! Beep! Oh, beep!
It'd be like that, one Harry Potter one. That's what I'm saying.
Oh no.
Beep in every sentence.
Like Jenna Marbles? Try putting a beep in every bad thing.
Oh, wow, you didn't know what's up.
It'd just be beep, 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 and beep!
Yeah, I can't really. This time, let's try again.
Oh no. Addie, please don't die today. This documentary has been a bad idea. Extremely bad.
Trunk doesn't work. Oh my God, there's an nail in the tree. Who screws their trees?
That's how big the tree is. I will show you from a faraway distance while Addie can figure out how to climb it. we go back in. That's how big the tree is.
I hate to have this thing come crashing down on me.
That'd be horrible.
Oh my god.
I don't think branches are supposed to be that easy to move.
I can't do it.
Addie, act as if it's up ours at the school.
I know that. I'm gonna go on this one. Move it. I got you, tree. Okay, let's leave before somebody catches us.
Okay. So that was our documentary on trees, and now we're gonna show you how we got here, which was very fun.
Okay, let's take the easy way up.
Addie did not break that tree, so don't ask. It's really windy today in Montana, as you can kind of tell. That's how big the tree was. Just a little.
Those fences are broken now.
Hey, the bikes are still there.
Amazing, isn't it? They're still there.
Water, ditch,
It'll just
plastic bag.
It's a lot nicer in summer when there's actually dragon flies and you can actually go down in it.
Are you doing anything?
I don't know, probably not.
Okay.
I know. I think we're supposed to do something about it.
But you're not sure?
What?
You don't pay attention. It's just, hey, we're doing blah, 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 blah. Okay, I'll remember that.
I won't remember that, so.
Like, I was invited to a friend's birthday party today. Screw
Forgot
them.
about it.
They're starting like 4, so. No, I'm hanging out with you.
4-year-old compared to 12-year-old. 12-year-olds are awesome.
The 12-year-old is awesome. We make awesome YouTube videos.
Plus, 12-year-old, it feels like I'm going through a wind tunnel right now.
I know.
I'm Lamb.
Still to Mother Nature. I hope you watch this video.
Yeah! Well, there's a tree again.
That's a tree.
Far away. And for reference, I'm just about 5 foot tall compared to that tree. Fuck! Mother Nature! Take it! Other cars driving by. I wonder what they were thinking of my accident flipping them off. Tree! Wrong direction! And the wind! Take that! We got that! That's right,
I'm on a scooter and I'm on a bike.
Fuck, just don't leave me.
Okay.
I'm trying to drive.
We were thinking about going swimming today. Decided it was a bad idea.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to turn it off now. Bye!